Did you see that?
Wow.
But it goes.
2 weeks at home because they are so smart. Check out this little cozy house. All right, Sharon. Sharon woke me up early this morning. She's like a kid waiting for a field trip. She's ready to go. Bless her heart. I mean, she's been working all week. So she got me up early. This is going to be our first trip out to the property. First time her seeing it. So she's getting the buggy ready. And I'm getting my protein stuff together and whatnot in the house. I'm trying to wake up. But we're going for a field trip today. So this is ours on the left.
That's the blocked off. But it goes way over. It's just an extra fence from Kapper.
Yeah, it goes to that house.
Yeah.
Hey guys, Kapper here. Welcome back. Welcome to any of our new viewers. So this is the very first time Sharon is setting eyes on this property. Let's hope I did a good job on it. There you can see the survey marker. So that's the actual property line. And, you know, we did that by design because you see this fence row on the left. You know, I hope to cut a couple new roads so we don't have to actually use this road. I mean, we got this shared road easement. But my plan is to cut a new road to the left and go around this existing house, which will benefit both property owners, us and them. You can see to the left there, it's a nice open field. So rather than, you know, going by their house all the time, I'm going to cut a new road down to the left. So that way I can cut through this fence line in a couple spots, you know, when I need to, and just make it a better situation for both them. So we ain't driving right through their place, which you'll see the house here, and then for us and anyone in the future, the road's going to loop around to the left and get to that barn in the back there. So that's like almost going to be job number one, to cut a new road so we don't have to use this easement and shared road down in the future.
Okay.
Well, that's a good start. Yeah, so I was going to bring that road around that way a little, so you ain't, I mean, if I cut it down through the trees, I mean, there's already a nice couple gates right here that, so to even whatever piece this stays with, bring that road around down here.
So where does ours start?
Right here.
Yeah, but they don't have a, oh, okay, right there's the marker.
Yeah.
So we got the little shed, we got this pad, which is a perfect little camper pad.
Okay, so the first order of business is going to check this barn. We purchased this with the property, and it was full of stuff. And on our properties in the past, usually we get stuck with a big mess. It's just how it is when people sell land and that. Not all the time. So our first mission is going to see if we got a big surprise mess inside of our new barn here, or if maybe the sellers cleaned it up for us. Let's see. All right, first day on the property. Looks like our junk pile might have got a little bigger, probably from leftovers in the barn. Where's Curtis when I need him? There's Curtis Tire Special right there. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna have to haul them tires into town. They don't like them in the dumpster. It's probably, I might need 2 dumpsters. I don't know, this one might be just one 30-yarder. Sweet. Oh man, it's opening day, gun season. It's supposed to be 78 today. Beautiful day. Let's go check out the barn. Ready to go look at the barn?
I'm just here for the barn.
No, this barn.
Oh, I want the real barn.
I know, you'll get to the real barn. Let's go look at this one. And then you could go look at the other barn.
Yeah, I don't care about this.
Wow, nice. Nice prizes. Sweet, it's all cleaned up. I like it. Thank you to the neighbor. First, this has got to be our first ever farm that actually was cleaned up in here.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you very much. That's very nice. Look at this. Got need a little workbench right here. It is even. I'm not going to dare and say mouse proof, but it is foamed up. And these doors are. Well, mice might come in through this, but I mean it is sealed up nicely. And these look like 10-foot doors, so. I'm not sure I'd bring the dozer in here, but anything else can fit in here. Very nice.
Oh, I see why they had that. I see why they. Because it's only a deadbolt.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you can leave it.
Right, ready for an adventure?
Ready or not?
Ready or not, here we go. Barn right there. Close up for easy picking. Man, this has been. Someone's been in and out. Oh, they must have got the hay. See, I don't think it's stripped. I think it's just animal.
The back is.
Let's see if I can get around it.
Oh, that's okay.
This way.
Let's do our first mission.
Alright. Just gonna give Sharon a quick spin around and then we'll check things out later. There's one here. This being a corn plot right here. It's about 5 acres, looks like 4 or 5. I think there was a tower in this field. Might be the next one. Behind that, we own like 40, 50 acres behind that barn though.
Okay.
And like that's the property line over there. So that.
So if the Bardo people bought the 40, 50,
this is actually the bump out. It looks like a deer. Is that a deer right there? See that?
We'll have to write down your number. Hand it out.
got dead ends.
Yeah, I see a gate or something.
Well, I wanted to close that gate.
Where's that? Oh, that goes to that field.
Yeah, them are dead ends.
Where did you say there was pines? I'm just seeing cedar.
Sure, I've seen them if I told you where it was.
Yeah. Maybe they're like on a separate ridge or something. And that dead end.
This is definitely a food plot here.
That gate's open.
No, that's part of ours.
Oh.
This is all food plot, or at least like this one here.
Yeah, just looking for cameras.
Did you see that? Did you see that?
Another nice thing, other than that gate up there that I want to close, it's fenced, you know. There's really no vehicle access from the outside. Oh, I think this is dead ends. Yeah, this is just dead ends. They started mowing trails in here and then
Well, it's okay. It's a nice little funnel point. Although it's not really that thick with briars.
it is a really nice mix.
Yeah.
You got high, you got low, you got good food plot areas. Or building if you want. I didn't see any fresh tracks this morning so far, so
That's good.
I think we're good.
No, I just think for hunting. I mean, for me, no, it's not for me, but I can see why it would be attractive to hunters. Yeah, there's some steps. There's nothing up in that tree.
Just steps.
Yeah. Like wooden steps. Oh, I was gonna say something moving in
I
there.
can swear something.
It's a curve. There's briars. It's the first patch I've seen.
Why you want briar?
No, not at all. Wow, that's a tiny food plot. That's a mini micro food plot. But look at the concrete stairs. We don't even have them, Joe.
Nice. Check out this little cozy house. Not half bad. This is a solar. I wonder if they got a solar panel. Either that or yeah, they got probably a solar panel up there. Here's your food plot. Beautiful field, very quiet and remote. Of course, the buggy's running, but you get the idea. Sweet. Yeah, here's some switches right here. Nice. I can't see up there, but if it's gone or not. Check this out, a mobile stand. Sharon's like, bring that back up. Because because I've been wanting to do a mobile stand at our farm. But yeah, that one's soft. Oh, and it's huge rat nest in here. And that one's soft. Huh. I like the idea. Rat nest in there. Yeah. All right, so that's where we're going to wrap up today's episode. We covered a lot of ground today. Sharon got to poke around in that old barn, and she's going to give us an assessment if there's any good barn wood in there. And I did some hiking in the woods looking for a new spot to put a new driveway. I found some ponds. We've checked out the other deer stands. And do me a favor, if you like this AI stuff, I'm not trying to trick anyone, obviously, but I think it's fun. And I'm trying to learn how to use it, and I can try to visualize ideas, better using the AI. So I had 3 clips in this video. Let me know which one was your favorite, if any, of the AI clips. The corn, the Sasquatch, or the deer at the end. I have my own favorite. Anyway, stay tuned for the next episode. This stuff is exciting. We finally are getting on to Project 205. Sharon got to see it today, and hopefully I'll post the next episode in the next day or so. But fun stuff. We had a great day out in the field. So have a great weekend, and good luck to you deer hunters, since now it's deer season. We'll catch you on the next episode. Thanks a lot.